I'm Phyllis Jackson. Welcome to Stay at Home Connect.
Coronavirus cases continue to place a burden on our healthcare systems. Georgia hospitals approaching 85% capacity of inpatient beds and 91% capacity of ICU beds. The incoming Biden-Harris administration pushing for major expansion of federal funding in order to manifest his goal of administering 100 million COVID vaccinations within the first 100 days of his presidency. 2 additional vaccine candidates are working to join Moderna and Pfizer in the fight against COVID. Officials with Johnson & Johnson say the interim portion of its Phase 3 clinical trials involving 45,000 people revealed the vaccine was, quote, generally well tolerated. As for the Oxford AstraZeneca offering, data from 4 clinical trials indicate moderate efficacy. Dr. Anthony Fauci says both vaccine candidates could be weeks away from evaluation from the FDA. With over 100 cases of the UK variant currently in the U.S., officials with the CDC say it's projected to grow rapidly and could become the predominant strain by March. This variant is said to be more contagious, but so far there's no proof that the variant will lead to greater illness or more deaths. With an eye on this variant and others that are emerging, the agency has also expanded its requirement for a negative COVID test to all air travelers entering the United States. In addition to current CDC recommendations, air passengers will need to get a viral test for current infection within 3 days of their flight and provide written documentation to the airline. For specifics on the COVID-19 test requirement, you can go to the CDC's website at cdc.gov. The Internal Revenue Service's tax filing season begins February 12th. This date will allow the agency time to do additional programming and test its systems following tax law changes, which led to a second round of economic impact payments due to COVID-19. The IRS says if you want a speedy refund, you will want to file your returns electronically with direct deposit. You can also file your taxes with tax software companies. That includes IRS Free File partners. These partners are accepting tax returns now, and they will be sent to the IRS starting February 12th. Atlanta City Council member Andrea Boone joins with Atlanta Police Leadership Institute, Badge to Family Outreach, Georgia Stand Up, and a group of volunteers for a cleanup of the Martin Luther King Drive corridor in recognition of the King holiday.
We want to make sure that the citizens know that we are here today. We're here to help them keep the environment clean. We're going to be picking up trash. We'll be painting graffiti. We will be cleaning up many of the cracks and crevices that folks miss when they do normal cleanups. We've done a lot of work just to plan out this community cleanup.
Atlanta City Council member Natalyn Archibong celebrates Martin Luther King Jr. Day by co-sponsoring a community coat drive.
This is another example of the love and care that we have for one another. We're in a pandemic, and there's a lot of need out there. There's a lot of fear. And so this is one of those ways that we give back and share with our community. Commissioner Johnson is here with us as well. So this is an initiative that's Atlanta and the county. We're partnering with Workforce Strong, 258, and the YMCA, of course, to make sure that families in this area have winter coats for themselves and their children.
That's a wrap. We'll see you on the next edition of Stay at Home Connect.